Here is a brief overview of the interface of the Diatom Assessment Tool MMI Shiny application website. So the first page that you see is the Introduction tab, where it just walks you through what this tool does, what are the basic requirements, and then how do you use this tool. The final tab on the top right are detailed instructions that walk you through all of the specifics that each step in the process requires. Your data, what your data look like, how the MMI is calculated, and then how you can interpret those MMI scores. And then to actually upload your data, you go to step 1, upload site information, where you're going to upload your site list, which we'll talk about in a moment. Then upload your taxonomic data once you've uploaded your site information. Then calculate your final MMI scores. And then finally, there will be a box plot that will be presented after the calculation of your MMI scores to help you in data interpretation. And we'll be going through all of these steps in more detail, but this is just a general introduction to what the web interface looks like.